It all again. We is starting the vlog off in the show, baby. I was running late this morning, so anyway, welcome back to another vlog. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. But yes, girl, we about to get our hair done. I'm so excited. Y'all know I've been talking about getting my hair done for months, and baby, the time is finally here, and I'm so ready. So stay tuned. We got the OG Love and Hip Hop going. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I ain't been doing no vlogging, Lord. I just been enjoying my day, but when I get home, I give y'all a recap. But we finna get ready to go in here and get some oxtails before we hit the road, because that's what I want. And if y'all need a weed, come get y'all a weed. But this is where we're going, the Reggae Grill. Hi. Let me tell you something. If you want to feel special, come on. If you want to feel special, all you gotta do is check your email and go around and get all of your free rewards on your birthday. Cause I'm gonna get ready to go on a tropical smoothie and get me a smoothie. I just picked up my 6 free wings from Buffalo Wild Wings, and yeah, how about that? Smoothie for my birthday.
What kind of smoothie?
Let's do the Bahama Mama. Can I get extra white chocolate in there?
Yes, you had the app?
Yeah. We got to taste it, make sure it's right. So I got my Bahama Mama with extra white chocolate, guys. When I tell you it's been a good day, it's been a good day. We're gonna do a recap when I get home. Let's do a taste test if I can get strong. Let's see. That nigga made it. Huh? Taste it. Gotta go in Burlington and return these heatless rollers that I purchased, because they don't work. See what else we can find though. Hey Jezidal gang, girl, it's the next day. I know I said I was gonna come back and do a recap once I got home, but I was tired. So yesterday, I'm gonna go ahead and probably insert the TikTok so that you can see the place that we ate at, and then we'll come back. I recently discovered this place on K. Cole, the mortgage lender's TikTok, so I decided to give it a try on my birthday. I started out with a lavender mimosa, and then I had the croissant stuffed ham and cheese croissant. It had potatoes on the side, and then my boyfriend had a steak, eggs, and potatoes. It was a 10 out of 10. All the food was really, really good. I absolutely loved the bathroom. It was so cute and aesthetic. I love that they had a complimentary mouthwash station, and they also had a lot of photo op areas, so I definitely took advantage of that. And honey, by the time we left, I was stuffed. 10 out of 10. We on whammy. Hey, your girl is big, baby. Yay. Cheers. The rest of that is ice. I said, what?
So you got a
I see it. Okay, now we're back. So the place that we ate at yesterday was called Beastrology. I saw it on Kienda's TikTok, so that's what inspired me to go. And then I started doing my own research and like looking up different TikToks. So that's where we went. The food was really good. I didn't really care for the drink that I ordered though, the lavender mimosa. I guess it's more of an acquired taste, but the food was really good. yeah, so yeah, we just enjoyed our day. We sat at a bar on the beach and just enjoyed drinks. And then before we left out, honey, I got me an oxtail plate. Hello. But yeah, and then as you seen it in the previous clips, I went around and got all my free birthday things because they ain't good. But so fast forward to tonight, I am just about to make pizzas. It is Friday. I usually don't cook on Fridays, but girl, we're finna do this quick little pot of pizza and pot this pizza. We're gonna make the pizza, but let me show you what I picked up from Walmart. So I just wanted to restock some of my like utensils, cups, plates, and stuff like that. So these are like $1.97 at Walmart. So I got 4 of these. I got 4 bowls. These are the bowls. I really like these because they're pretty deep. And then I'm trying to stick with like the black aesthetic or like black and white. I picked up this back scratcher for my boyfriend because his back always itching and we got him some help. And then I also picked up 4 plates. So we're gonna throw out some of that old stuff and replace it with this. But I have to wash this stuff first before I put it up. And then I also picked up some stuff from Home Goods. Okay, so from Home Goods, I picked up this glass set by the brand Libby. It is a 16-piece and girl, it was only $12.99. So it came with 8 of the short glasses, which I love drinking out of these. And then it came with 8, which I gotta wash all this, so like regular glasses. Which it's been overdue time for some stuff like this, honey. And that's how I can tell, baby, it's giving 34 because usually I be out shopping trying to get shoes, clothes, and get my nails done. Baby, this is what I need right here. Dang it. Cause baby, the cups and plates I got right now, mismatch. And then I also picked up this knife set from Burlington. This is by the brand Faberware. It is a 12-piece cutlery set, and it comes with a chef knife, a slicing knife, a bread knife, a Santoku knife, and a serrated utility knife, and also a paring knife. So this is what this looks like. And then, as you can see, I'm trying to keep like the black and neutral theme going. So that's why I picked these. And then they look like they're gonna be good, but we're gonna see or whatever. And then I just picked up a pack of these Fabuloso sponges. These are what I use when I wash dishes. So yeah, that's all I picked up today. Let's go ahead and get into making this pizza. Knife is a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna saute these just a little bit in my pan here. We got some olive oil in our pan. It's probably not hot yet, but I'm still about to just go ahead and dump these in. It'll get hot. Y'all, please excuse my pants for being unzipped. You already know how it is once you get home and you ready to get comfortable, but you still got stuff to do. You gotta cook, honey. So yeah, that's why they were unzipped. But hopefully y'all can forgive me. But let's go ahead and get back into making this pizza. Now it's time to pop her in the oven for a few minutes. It doesn't take long at all because most of our ingredients, well, all of them are done. But this is how the pizza turned out, y'all. Definitely 10 out of 10. So delicious. Hey, Jesse Dog Gang. Let's see what we can do with this light. Good. Anyway, this ain't my regular light. My mount is probably in the car. But anyway, hey Jezidor Gang, I am all done with my makeup. It's been a minute since I've done, I don't know what to call it, glam soft glam. I got to fix that a little bit right now. But full beat, because it needs to last all throughout the night. The grillies are on their way, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. We're going to dinner tonight, and we'll see where the rest of the night leads us. I originally had plans to wear a dress that I ordered last year, but plans have changed, so I decided to wear this dress here that I got from Shein. It's just I'll just show it to you. It's just a leopard dress, but we got to figure out the boobs, because baby, I ain't got no boob job. And then I've had this jacket. My aunt gifted me this like 3 or 4 years ago from Akira, never worn. So we just gonna put a little look together. And I got my Jessica Simpsons here, so hopefully it turns out well. But I do need to go ahead and try to go ahead and start getting ready so that I can be ready before everybody else makes it here, if that makes sense. And I still gotta figure out my hair because I feel like I rotted it wrong.
Thank you. Cheers to me.
Cheers. So this was my dinner, guys. I had a ribeye steak with garlic mashed potatoes and green beans, and my girls ordered a smasher burger. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. This is for my vlog. Ready? Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jasmine. Happy birthday to you. Woo woo. Thank you so much.
Thank you, beautiful.
Ellie?
Baby, happy birthday. This thing's so good. I want some.
Oh, you talk to your man.
Good morning, Jezidor Gang. Girl, I literally just woke up. But I just want to come in and close the vlog out. Definitely thank you so much for watching this vlog. Everyone who wished me a happy birthday, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I know this vlog was a little choppy, girl, but listen, it just was a choppy week. But I definitely did enjoy my birthday. Celebrating with my girls and my family, my loved ones, my boyfriend. It was a good one. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for another vlog this week. This one was a little short, but next one will definitely be longer. And if you're not already subscribed, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe and join the Jezidor Gang. Go ahead and like this video as well. And I'll see y'all in this week's upcoming vlog. Bye.